What's the weirdest thing you've done as a result of social anxiety? 1. I get self-conscious about the speed of my windshield wipers. I'm always comparing them to other cars, so I don't look like I'm overdoing it. 2. I skipped out on a really good job interview because they wanted me to do a presentation in front of a few people as part of the interview. 3. The other day at my small office, I went to the bathroom to fix my shirt, which I had accidentally worn inside out. When I entered the stall, the bathroom was empty. As I flipped my shirt around, someone walked into the stall next to me. I also used some toilet paper to wipe my nose and dropped it in the bowl. This triggered the auto flush sensor and it flushed. Here's where my predicament began. I realized I also had to pee, but since I had already used toilet paper and flushed, my twisted mind decided this would seem really weird to the person next door. Why would someone use the bathroom, flush, and then stand up and pee again? But I couldn't hold it. I was afraid they might recognize my shoes and know who I was, so I hatched a clever deception. I left the stall and washed my hands to seem normal, despite the fact that I hadn't even used the bathroom. After drying my hands, I walked loudly to the exit and opened the door into the hall. Then I said, "Oh, excuse me," like I bumped into someone else coming in and walked right back in. I made sure to change the sound of my footsteps, walking more quietly so the person in the stall would think I was a different person and not some freak playing bathroom charades. Then I went to the urinal, peed, and washed my hands again, this time using the farthest sink so they couldn't spot my shoes.